Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to download CurseForge on your computer. Make sure to watch the video to the end, not to miss any important details, like and subscribe. So we're going to run through this guide right here. First of all, we're going to search for CurseForge, download. Once we're here, we're going to go to the CurseForge official website, make sure that it's not sponsored, and it should look something like this, similar, or if you go to the main page, then it should look like this. So click on Get CurseForge app, and then download standalone on here on the computer. Once you download it right here, then you're going to just install it on your desktop, and this is going to be the installer. Then once you download it, locate it. Maybe it's on your downloads file, or maybe it's right here. Then double click it. Once the installer opens, then you're going to click on next. Then from here, it's going to show where it's going to install it. So click on I accept the terms and I agree. Then click on next. Then you're going to accept and install. Once you do that, then it's going to properly install it, and it's fairly small, so it's only 100 megabytes. And once it does that, it's going to do it fairly quickly, and then it's going to finish up the installing process. Now from here, it's going to show the easy record your plays. I would not suggest that since it's going to take a lot of storage, and if you don't record anything, then you can just click no thanks. Once that is done, then it's going to open the CurseForge app for you, and then from here, it's going to forge your library. And then at the end, it's going to just open with this animation and then start scanning for the games on your computer. Click on continue, click continue again. You can either continue as a guest or just log in with your account that you made. Once you do that, you can see here we have all the games, and some of the games are installed, for example, Minecraft, Hightail. And once you click on it, then from here, it's going to just show you what type of mods you can install on it, and it's going to make sure to load. And that's pretty much it. That's how you download CurseForge. Thank you guys for watching. See you next time. Bye bye.